Hello everyone. In this data analytics lab and with the Python series, again I welcome you and I hope you all are safe at your home during this COVID-19 threat phase. So in this tutorial today, I'm going to discuss about the modules and packages. This topic is basically the programming oriented topic, and we'll discuss all the working practically, and we'll see all the practically working that how to create your module and how to create your packages over there. So just stay tuned with my channel, and those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that the regular notification can be given to you. So starting with the first one, so if we talk about the module, what actually is a module? A module is a file which contains the function, classes and method as a record. Means what? Suppose that we are creating a module, so it will contain what? Functions. In the last session, in my last tutorial also, we have discussed about that how to create your own functions. So functions का basically मतलब क्या होता है? That function contains some method inside it. Now if I'm going to combine the same type of function in one category, and then we can suggest the name as a module over there. I'll give you an example. Suppose that we have the function like sqrt, the function like log, the function like sine, the function like pow. These all functions belongs to the mathematical module. So we can say one thing, that the math module contains these all functions, लेकिन उनका अपना एक specific task होगा, that these all are going to work for a specific task. Now same we have as a module in the Python. So module को we can categorize into two forms, that some the modules are the built-in modules which are predefined available, like the math module is there, clear, like the we can say like the math module, like the URL lib module is there, like the CMath module is there, like the random module is there. But even we have our own type of module, means we can create our own module also. So in this session we are going to discuss about this thing, that how the modules can be created. So now we'll start with the demonstration part, that how to create your own module, and we'll have some example over there. So I'm going to switch over this Python editor, and then we'll see that how we are going to create our own module. So here we have my first session, that how to create my own module. So the first one is creating your own module. So we are going to create our own module. So first of all, student, we'll take one example, and the example is we can take the example of finding the volume of a cube. Clear? So here I'm going to define my own module, and that will work similarly when I'm going to create somewhere else my module. So now the thing is that first of all I'm going to define one function. The function name is volume underscore cube. So volume underscore cube is my name, is my function name, and here I'm going to define the variable as an argument, and that variable name is site. So here we have the site as a variable. Now this will store what? The formula of finding side into side into side. So here we have this function right now. Now after this one, so it will return the value. So return will be what? Return will be r. So student, one thing is there, that we are returning the value. However, I am not going to call this function right now. अगर ये मैं module के अंदर रखना चाहता हूँ, तो the one who will use that particular module, that particular one is going to call that particular function volume underscore cube. Clear? So that means what? कि हमने जो function को create किया है, इस function को हम call नहीं करने वाले हैं in this right now in this programming session. We will call somewhere outside, means when I'm going to import that particular module. Now we will suggest it what actually the module we are going to take over there. So let's say I'm going to save this program, and saving the program is v underscore cube. So here we have this .py. So I'm going to save this file v underscore cube by this v underscore cube .py. So my file name is v underscore cube, and now we will check over here. This v underscore cube is what? That is the file name, and in this file name we have this function right now, but we are not going to call this function right now. So just check it out, what is the answer over there. So no answer is there. That means what? कि जब तक हमने call ही नहीं किया है, how we can use this one, how we can get the answer of this side into side into side. Now in that case now, so जैसे मैंने इस प्रोग्राम को सेव किया v underscore cube से, by this what will happen then? By this automatically the module will be created and the module name will be v underscore cube. Again I'm repeating the same thing, just focus over here what I'm saying. मैंने केवल एक प्रोग्राम को बनाया, लेकिन द वे आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस प्रोग्राम विद द नेम ऑफ द प्रोग्राम, दैट नेम बाय डिफॉल्ट विल बी कंसिडर एज अ मॉड्यूल इन दैट पर्टिकुलर केस. तो ये एक मॉड्यूल बन जाता है. सो नाउ वी विल सी दैट हाउ दिस मॉड्यूल कैन वर्क ओवर देयर. सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्विच ओवर दिस मॉड्यूल. सो अगर मैं मॉड्यूल का यूज़ करता हूँ, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव दिस इम्पोर्ट एंड द मॉड्यूल नेम. नाउ व्हाट एक्चुअली द मॉड्यूल नेम, द वे आई हैव सेव्ड द फाइल. So I have saved the file using the v underscore cube. So here we have v underscore cube. v underscore cube. That means what? अगर मैं इसको रन करता हूँ तो that means what कि ये रन हो चुका है. Now if this v underscore cube has been run, मैं इसको अलग शेल में यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, मैं इसको अलग प्रोग्रामिंग वे में यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. तो just understand one thing. If somewhere I have to calculate the volume of cube. Now how I am going to calculate without making the logic? तो मुझे याद आएगा कि मैंने लास्ट टाइम एक फंक्शन क्रिएट किया था इनसाइड ए मॉड्यूल v अंडरस्कोर क्यूब. तो हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट दिस वन? सिंपली आई हैव टू कॉल दिस फंक्शन. तो आई कॉल दिस फंक्शन एंड द नेम ऑफ द फंक्शन जस्ट चेक ऑन द स्क्रीन. द नेम ऑफ द फंक्शन इज वॉल्यूम अंडरस्कोर क्यूब एंड हेयर आई एम गोइंग टू पास द आर्ग्यूमेंट लाइक 6 ओवर देयर. ठीक है, तो एक वैल्यू रिटर्न होगी. लेट्स से दिस वैल्यू विल बी स्टोर इन द वेरिएबल x. सो व्हाटएवर वैल्यू हैज बीन रिटर्न बाय r, that will be stored in x. now इसको रन करते हैं. now volume cube is not defined, one error is coming. volume cube underscore cube is not defined, so but still I have defined this one. okay, then we'll check this one, that how this name volume cube is not defined. so I'm going to use this v underscore cube dot py cube. okay, then x. okay, again I'm going to run this program. so volume underscore cube and I'm passing 6 7 as an argument, and we'll see. okay, one error is coming over there, so we'll have some another method over there. so import v underscore cube, that was the name of the file which I have taken earlier, and that file name was v underscore cube. so that is the module name, that actually the module name. now volume underscore cube we have to use, and side is in the argument over there. now inside this one import v cube. I'm going to x equals to volume underscore cube. मैं इस फंक्शन को यूज़ करने वाला हूँ, volume underscore cube. okay, fine. so that will be volume underscore cube, and here I'm by passing the value like 5 over there. now if I'm going to print this value on the screen x, so we'll check what actually the answer over there. so here we can check. okay, now actually one error is coming in this last case, and that is name error. name volume underscore cube is not defined. okay, from v underscore cube import volume underscore cube. so इसको दोबारा चेक करते हैं. okay, now fine. so the statement which I have used right now is that from the module v underscore cube I am importing this volume underscore cube. तो मैंने volume underscore cube जो कि एक फंक्शन का नाम है, मैंने वो import किया है. and then when I'm going to call this function volume underscore cube and I'm passing the value 5, automatically I will get side into side. और जो x की value है वो method I have defined somewhere else, and I'm getting the answer over there. so that actually is the way that how we can create our own module. so in this way we can define this one, that module is what? module is the collection of related functions. ठीक है. now there is not a compulsion that only one function we can create multiple function in a single module. but the thing is that what module, what function we want to use, we can use it in this way. so this actually is a way that how to create our own module with the example. clear? so simple tha. now we'll start with this Python libraries. Student, Python libraries is one step ahead of the module. means what? collection of function combined in a single file is known as module. Now what I'm saying, collection of similar module combined in a single directory is known as library. That actually is the difference. So I can say one thing that Python library is what? Python libraries जो होता है उसके अंदर बहुत सारे different kind of module will be there, but these all module have some specific task. उनका task लगभग same होता है. And what these module are going to contain? The module are going to contain the similar kind of what? The similar kind of functions over there. Is it clear? So here we have this library. So there the alternate name of the library is packages. So here we have, it is a directory of packages which contains a module as a record. Clear? So ये एक तरह का हम कह सकते हैं एक डायरेक्टरी बनाएंगे. We are going to create a directory over there and which will contain the packages, which will contain the modules, and these modules will contain the function, and this will so on in hierarchy model. Clear? So that actually is the way to define the library. So now here are some steps that how we are going to create this libraries. So I'm going to switch over this location first, that how we are going to create the library over there. So first of all, so here we have this location. So I'm going to switch over the location right now. Okay, fine. So here I'm going to close this one and I'm going to switch over the location first. So just observe this location. Inside the C drive, there is the name location like user folder. Now in this user folder, there are these three options, and whatever be your PC name, my PC name is Sony, so that's why it is coming here as a Sony over there. Now in this one we have this app data folder. इस पे हम click करेंगे, then we'll click on the local, then we click on the programs. So here we have the programs, then we click on the Python, then Python 37, and then here we have this kind of statements over there. Now just check it out over here. These all are the folders, the library file, the file which we have created in the earlier sessions. ये सब इसमें store है. Means we can say this is the what we can say, this is the storage bank of this Python editor. Python का हम कुछ भी use करते हैं, either my earlier program, either some modules, either some specific functions, these all have been defined over there. तो ये एक फाइल होती है. This file will be available to you if you will have this Python ideally is installed in your system. तो अगर ये install होगा आपके system पे, then only you can view this particular one. So this location we have to follow in the my computer, the C drive. Inside the C drive we have this user, then the username, then the app data, then the local, then the program, then the Python, and then Python 37 over there. So now we will start with this one, that how the packages or the libraries we can create. For this I am going to open the Python ideally, and we'll have this Python shell initially over there. So first of all, library is what, अगर मैं technically बात करूँ तो library एक folder होता है. So I have to create a folder first. तो folder को हम directory भी कहते हैं. So there is one module which is available in the Python library that is named as OS. OS means operating system, and that can deal with all the operations of an operating system. So one of the operation is of an operating system is to create the directory. So that can be created by os dot. There is one function named as mkdir जिसके through folders बनते हैं. So I'm going to name the folder. So my name is geometry. तो मैं geometry से इसको assign करता हूँ. So if it has been in an execution mode or no error is coming, that means what, successfully we have created our folder geometry. Now this geometry is a folder, however it is a folder, just check it out, ये folder है. लेकिन इस folder के साथ, this is an empty folder right now, इसको हम directory में से we are going to convert it into the library phase. इसको हम library में convert करेंगे. And earlier what we have discussed, that library is what, library is a collection of related files over there. तो libraries में related files होती हैं. And related files mean what, library contain the related modules and module contain the related files over there. So now we will start with our first module. So here I am going to create my first module. My first module is let's give a comment over there, that is module number 1, and this is finding the area of, the module name is area underscore rectangle. So that is the name which I am going to suggest for my module, that is area underscore rectangle. So this is the name. Now we'll first define a function def, and the name of the function will be area underscore r for rectangle. This function will receive two arguments, l comma b. Then this function is going to calculate the result. So here we have the result that will be stored in the variable r for result, and that will be l into b. Then we have this return r. Okay. So now this function I have created, or as in my previous one we have discussed it how to create your module. तो मैं जिस नेम से फाइल को सजेस्ट करूंगा, that name will be considered as a module, and this module is containing a function name as area underscore r. I am not calling this function right now because मैं function इसको कहीं और से कराऊंगा, means मैं इसको library के through ऑपरेट कराऊंगा, and my library name is geometry right now. So I am going to run this program, but before running this program I am going to save this program. So just understand this one. I'll use the name area underscore rectangle. तो जो फाइल का नाम होगा वही मॉड्यूल का नाम भी हो जाएगा. एंड वेयर आई एम गोइंग टू सेव, जस्ट चेक इट आउट. जहाँ पर मैंने ज्योमेट्री नेम का फोल्डर क्रिएट किया है मैं इसको यहीं पर कन्वर्ट करूँगा. राइट नाउ दिस ज्योमेट्री इज अ फोल्डर, दैट इज नॉट अ लाइब्रेरी राइट नाउ. विल हैव सम मेथड एट हाउ दिस ज्योमेट्री कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ लाइब्रेरी. सो हियर वी हैव दिस वन. तो मैंने इसको यहाँ पे सेव कर दिया. सो नो आउटपुट इज कमिंग, दैट मीन्स व्हाट, द प्रोग्राम हैज़ बीन सक्सेसफुली एग्जीक्यूटेड because no function calling statement has been mentioned over there. That actually is the way. Now we'll start with the another module, and we have our another module, and my another module is module number 2. And now this module number 2 is going to calculate what? It is going to calculate the volume of a cube. So volume of a cube अगर बनाना है तो its name will be volume underscore cube. So इसको हम कैलकुलेटर में साइन करते हैं. Volume underscore cube. Now I'm going to define this one def, one function I'm going to create, and that is the v underscore cube. Don't be confused with the name. Every name is unique. So here it is going to accept the side as an argument, because side into side creates a volume. We have this variable, let's say the name as x equals to side into side, and then it will return the value as x. So x को return करेंगे. Now I'm going to save this program, and I'll save the program by the name volume underscore cube. So here I'm going to give the name volume underscore cube dot py. Okay, again no error is there. That means what, कि ये भी create हो चुका है. Now one thing is there, अगर आप इस ज्योमेट्री को चेक करें, इस ज्योमेट्री फोल्डर के अंदर now we have these two file, that is the name of the program what I have saved. तो मेरा पहला प्रोग्राम था volume underscore cube, and if we just view this program, this will contain what, that we can check. Yes, the function v underscore cube. Now but अगर मैं चाहूँ तो इसको ये एक तरह का मॉड्यूल भी बन चुका है, because in my previous session we have discussed this one, the name of the file which we suggest that by default can be considered as a module. Same as we have this area underscore rectangle. If I'm going to open this one, so here we have this one. So यहाँ पे logic है, और we have the name of the module like area underscore rectangle. Now the important part is these two are the file right now, and this one is a folder. अब मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे इस ज्योमेट्री को लाइब्रेरी में कन्वर्ट करना है, और मुझे इस वॉल्यूम को और एरिया को उस लाइब्रेरी के मॉड्यूल्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. मीन्स देयर शुड बी सम रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस कि इनको कन्वर्ट करना है, इनको हमें ऑथेंटिकेट बनाना है कि दैट ज्योमेट्री कैन बी कंसिडर एज अ लाइब्रेरी, एंड दिस वॉल्यूम अंडरस्कोर क्यूब एंड एरिया अंडरस्कोर रेक्टेंगल कैन बी कंसिडर एज अ जेन्युइन मॉड्यूल ऑफ द लाइब्रेरी ज्योमेट्री. तो अभी तो ये नहीं है, बिकॉज अगर मैं इसको रन करता हूँ तो ये वर्क नहीं करेगा. सो फॉर डैट नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विथ माई थर्ड मॉड्यूल, एंड डैट इज़ द इनिशिएटर फाइल. तो मैं अब इनिशिएटर फाइल का यूज़ करने वाला हूँ. So that initiator file, initiator name we suggest as underscore init underscore dot py file. That is the name by which we can suggest our initiator file. तो इस initiator file में what we are going to define, actually हम define क्या करने वाले हैं, we are going to define that हमें किस module से from the geometry library which of the module we have to invoke over there. So that actually we are going to use in this one. Clear? So here we have this one initiator file है. So from my first module name is, now we will check my first module name. So our first module name is area underscore rectangle, and what we have to import, we have to import area underscore r. So here I'm going to define this way, from area underscore rectangle, that is the name of the module actually, area underscore rectangle. What I have to import, I have to import what? I have to import my function. The function name is area underscore r. This statement shows that from the module use the respective functions from that module. So that actually is the meaning of this particular one, कि हमें इस area underscore rectangle module से हमें इस function को invoke करना है. Clear? Now next we have from. Now next module is volume underscore cube. What I have to import? I have to import what? So here is my name. The name of the second module was just wait a minute. Yes, volume cube, and the function name was v underscore cube. So here I'm going to define import v underscore cube. So that actually is the way how I'm going to how I'm going to map this one. मतलब मैं इन दोनों मॉड्यूल के इन दोनों फंक्शंस को मैप कर रहा हूँ इन द इनिशिएटर फाइल, एंड दिस फाइल विल बिलोंग टू द ज्योमेट्री फोल्डर. तो ज्योमेट्री को फिर हम एक ऑथेंटिक लाइब्रेरी कह सकते हैं, जिसके अंदर देयर विल बी टू फंक्शंस, एंड दीज टू फंक्शन विल हैव these two module will have these two functions. Clear? So geometry library will contain these two module, and these two module, from these two module we can use these two functions. So already I have created only one function in each of the module, so हम इन्हीं को यूज़ करना चाहेंगे. So now it's the time to save the function. इसको जो सेव किया जाएगा, it has some unique name, and that is a mandatory field which we have to use. So underscore init underscore dot py is a name which we have to suggest. ये कंपल्शन है कि इसी नेम से इसको यूज़ किया जाएगा, एंड दैट हैज़ टू बी स्टोर इन द ज्योमेट्री फोल्डर. अभी मैं फोल्डर की बात कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन आफ्टर सेविंग दिस वन एंड आफ्टर रनिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर वन फाइल, ये फोल्डर लाइब्रेरी बन चुका होगा, एंड दीज टू मॉड्यूल विल बी रजिस्टर्ड ओवर द ज्योमेट्री लाइब्रेरी. सो उसको मैं सेव करता हूँ और रन करता हूँ. नो आउटपुट इज कमिंग, दैट मीन्स व्हाट, माय प्रोग्राम इज सक्सेसफुली executed. Now that is the way. Now how we can judge, we can check it out. Now just check it out. This init.py again has an entry in the same geometry module, लेकिन एक फाइल क्रिएट हुई है, and this file is what? This file says that under the geometry module, इसमें जो भी modules mention किए गए हैं, these modules now has been working for the geometry library. So that means कि geometry अब library बन चुका है, and these two are the respective module of this library geometry. Now it's time to use this particular one, that हम इसको कैसे use करने वाले हैं. So here we have this one. So I'm going to switch over the Python editor, and then we'll open the new file. So now it's time कि हम इसको use करें. So first of all, my library name is geometry. So that means what? I have to import the packages. Import the library oblique package. Now first of all, from geometry, the name I have given geometry. What I have to import? My first module name is what was the name of the first module? That was area underscore rectangle, and second module was volume underscore cube. So we'll have this one, area underscore rectangle comma volume underscore cube. In this way we can suggest the name. The meaning is now we can use the function of area and rectangle, area underscore rectangle के functions को और volume underscore cube के functions को जो geometry में रखे गए हैं उनको we can easily use in our program right now. Clear? So I am going to define the first one. So here we have result 1. My first variable is result underscore 1 और यहाँ पे मैं area underscore rectangle, that is the name of my module. So area underscore rectangle का एक function है and we'll see that what actually the function of this one. So function is area underscore r. So here we will use area underscore r. And here I am passing two arguments for L and B. So here we have these two arguments. So I can print the value. So printing will be what? Printing will be area of the rectangle is what? That is result 1. So here we are going to store the value of the result 1. So हमने क्या करा है यहाँ पे? Module name was area underscore rectangle. Inside that module that is a function name as area underscore r. And this function need two arguments because already in the last program we have defined that it will accept two arguments L and B. So whatsoever be the L and B, that will be given to L into B, and then result will be calculated in R, and then it will be returned back to the function calling statement. तो result 1 पे ये store हो जाएगा R की value from that particular side. Now the another one is my second variable is result underscore 2, and here the module name is volume underscore cube, and then we are going to call the function volume. What was the name of the function which we have given? The name was v cube. So here I am going to define this v underscore cube. Then it was receiving one argument, that is 5. Let's say one argument means what? Just check the logic of this particular function. ये जो v cube है इसको एक ही argument दिया गया है, and this argument will be multiplied 3 times by itself, and then result will be stored in x, and that will be written back. तो return back का मतलब है कि ये result 2 पे store हो जाएगा. So we can say one thing, it will return the value, return the value inside the variable result 2. So here we can print volume of cube, and volume of cube is result underscore 2. Okay, so in this way we can use this kind of we can use this library in our program, and by this library then we can use a function area underscore we can use a function by importing the respective modules over there. तो ये स्टेप हमें फॉलो करना है टू यूज द लास्ट वन इन. ठीक है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट if I'm going to use import geometry, there is one alternate method. If I'm going to use import geometry, so then this function will be used, this function area underscore r can be used by geometry dot area underscore rectangle dot area underscore r. This will be used by geometry dot volume underscore cube dot v underscore cube. So वो lengthy process हो जाता है. So better is to short the lines, so that will be shorted by this from method. So now I'm going to run my program now. We'll see. First of all I have to save the program. तो मैं इसको save यहाँ पर नहीं करता हूँ, मैं बाहर define करता हूँ इसको efgh.py. We'll see. Okay, result 1 is not defined, so there is one problem because that was result underscore 1 and I've used result 1 over there. So again I'm going to run this program. We'll see. Yes, now the area of the rectangle is 32 and the volume of the cube is 125. That means what, students? Only one time we have put in the effort of making the logics. Methods को बनाने के लिए एक बार efforts किया. Once we have made the efforts, we have put on the efforts. Now we can use these all packages anytime, anywhere. So only the effort is how to use this one. We are not bothered about this background details की इस function से होगा क्या. हमें के लिए इतना पता है that this function is going to perform so and so task. So this is the way, student, that how we are going to create this kind of modules, this kind of libraries. Clear? So here we can say one thing. Libraries are what? Agar if we talk about the module, so module is a file which contains the function, classes and methods. मॉड्यूल्स के अंदर फंक्शंस, क्लास और मेथड्स आते हैं. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द पाइथन लाइब्रेरीज इज व्हाट इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ डायरेक्टरी और पैकेज which contain the modules as a record, जिसके अंदर modules of the specific task we kept as a record. And here we have these three steps, the important one. First of all, just create the directory. Once you will create the directory, that directory name can be suggested for the, it will be suggested for the library naming. Then step number 2 will be create a module and store at directory. We will create this module one by one with the functions inside the module, and then these module will be stored in the same location and the same directory. Then the third one will be after creating your work, after doing your work, then you have to create your init.py file, because this file basically register the library with the respective modules. अभी तक step number 1 and step number 2 register नहीं कर रहा है practically, लेकिन जब ये फाइल बन जाती है तो then this directory will be the authenticate library, and then the module kept under the directory can be considered as the authentic module of the same library, and this generally is used to initiate the modules in that particular directory over there. So student, directory oblique library oblique packages, the meaning is same. So here is all about this topic. I hope this topic is clear to you, and please like and subscribe my channel if you haven't, so that the proper notification can be given to you at regular interval of time. So thank you everyone, thank you, have a nice day.